Hi family, it's Joanna with Remnant Real Estate Solutions, and we are back at our Charlotte property. Yes, the one that was heavily vandalized. And we've done a few things here, just getting the prep work, trying to clean everything out so we can have a better vision of what needs to be done. So inside we have gutted the place for the most part, not all of the walls, but we've gotten all of the old furniture, old food. We still got airplanes going above us. And then on the back side, we have taken down that completely deteriorated deck. Today, I've got one of my good friends here, Blue Sanders with Bulldog Window Cleaning, and he's doing the power washing, cleaning the gutters and the windows for me, what remains of the windows. So let's go inside and take a look. So we have a blank slate here, no furniture. We still have the writing on the walls, but in some areas, the OSB, the plywood is good. And in some areas, you'll see that it totally is not. We decided to take out the cabinets in here, everything in the kitchen, we just took it out to give it a fresh new appearance, everything new. And I can really see now how big this kitchen is. You can see along the wall, we have some holes in the OSB, just from wear and tear, and that's gonna be replaced, that's gonna be fixed. We got a whole window missing, which needs to be replaced. All along this wall, we need to do some work here to seal this up. And as we look out the back deck, okay, can I open, there we go. There is nothing here, nothing at all, because we took that deck down. We also ended up taking out that wood stove looking fireplace that was here, and we're just gonna open this up. We'll make it probably white with gray walls here, make this fireplace really pop, and paint the mantle as well. And now you can really get a good look at how big the living space is. The living area leading into the dining room, leading into the kitchen. So there's gonna be nice entertainment space. Now going to the worst room in the house, the master bedroom. This is where we had a hole in the roof, and so it just completely rained in here the whole time. And so, of course, we've got to replace the OSB underneath, but the ceiling also needs work. We have now replaced the roof, so we won't have that water coming in anymore. We just need to repair the damage that was done previously. Over here, we've got a huge mess. OSB completely rotted out, so that was taken up. Crawl space, when you look at this, you'll see how messy it is. We got some wood rot and destruction that we've got to take care of too. Someone or something could easily slip in here, so we need to secure this property. In the bathroom, we've taken out the vanities, we've taken out the tub. We did leave the shower space. We probably will reuse that in some shape or form. We took out the toilet in here. And in the closet, we just got everything out of there. Down the hallway, we got rid of the rusted water heater. The furnace and everything is still together. We're going to redo the floor here. We did have a leak coming from this laundry area, and which completely soaked these floors. And we've got holes in the bathroom floor. But now it's not quite as gross here, but all this OSB has to be taken up. We got some mold there. All that will be taken out and repaired. And these back bedrooms, there was never really many problems with the back bedrooms. It's just floors and walls, and this will be painted, and we'll get new floors, new doors for the closets. Let's take a look at the backyard and the sides. You can see that the demo guys pulled a big truck in here and tore up the yard a little bit, including the neighbor's yard, which I do not appreciate. I wasn't informed that that was done, so I'm just now knowing that it needs to be repaired. We haven't demoed this yet, but we'll be getting a new one. Along the back and throughout, now that blue has power washed, you can see the real damage to the wood where it was kind of covered up before with the rotted wood and paint. Now we can see more of what actually needs to be repaired. This is my least favorite phase of renovation because the dollar signs just go up, even though I've prepared a contingency because I couldn't see for all that junk that was in there. But now I can see that we've got some wood that needs to be replaced, some boards that need to go, and of course the window. But we did get rid of that massive deck. It was really too big for this yard. And so we're gonna put probably a 10 by 16 here. I'm not exactly sure which size we're gonna put, but it won't be as monstrous as the last deck.